Welcome back here again with another video, or this time in our Telegram channel, where we will to find a lot content, a lot content to get money, to get benefits, to get always any more. Yes, but why I am here on my Telegram channel today? Because I promised to you on the morning I will to teach how get free BTC, free Bitcoin, free satoshis without referrals. Yes, you will to get free satoshis every day. You can withdraw that and you don't will to need referrals. I will to show you now the application. Yes, it's very easy. Well, this is the application. It's Bitcoin Magazine. You will to find on the video description the link to can find a very easy the application in Android or to iPhone too, in App Store or in a Play Store. Yes, but you don't need referrals. The link is only for help to you to find a more fast the application, only for it. Well, let's go with Bitcoin Magazine application. To register, you will to use only your email. Yes, you register here only with email. With email only is enough. No need do anymore. Yes. How was that? Here I have earned my satoshis. Yes. Well, you have here a lot articles. Yes, a note about Bitcoin. To get rewards, you need to read this art. For example, I will to touch here on this note. I will to read, but it's not read. It's just do a scroll in the note. Yes, you do a scroll. Done. Now go to this corner, touch on this G, touch here, and here come the rewards. Yes, very easy. You continue with another more. I touch here on this another note. I will to do the sum. I scroll it. Scroll. Well done. Close it. I get more rewards. Yes. How withdraw that? To withdraw that is very easy. Go here where is the wallet icon here, and touch here where say withdraw. Here you need to select the network. I suggest use Lightning Invoice here. Touch here, and here you need to pass your Lightning Invoice. Where get a Lightning Invoice? You can use Binance. I will to show you how deposit this Satoshi, this BTC on Binance by Lightning. Yes, 2 application on one video. Let's go to Binance. I enter here on Binance. I will to touch where say deposit. Touch on deposit. I will to select crypto here, crypto. I select crypto. I select here BTC because I will to deposit Bitcoin. I touch on BTC. Here I select the network. I will to use Lightning Network. Here, touch here. Here I will to input 0.1234140. Yes, the satoshis I have that on Bitcoin Magazine. Yes. The minimum to withdraw from Bitcoin Magazine are 500 satoshis. Yes. Well, I will to touch here in create invoice. I touch create invoice. I can scan this QR code or I can copy that. I will to copy that. Touch here copy. I back to Bitcoin Magazine. I can pass here the invoice. And if I wanna do a withdraw, touch on submit and I will to receive this Satoshi on my Binance. I don't will to do that now because I don't will to do a withdraw to Binance because I use another wallet to do a withdraw. I use ZBDE wallet or another. Yes, but this is the process to use Lightning for another application. You can use Lightning too. Yes, well, that is all for today. Enjoy with this free Bitcoin magazine. Yes, with this application. And I see you on the next video. On the video description, you will to find all the links to subscribe in our Telegram channel too. Don't forget to subscribe here in our YouTube channel. And I see you on the next. Bye bye.